3-prong clamps are a convenient tool to help hold laboratory items securely. Each clamp is electroplated in a zinc alloy. The jaws have dual adjustments and are spring-loaded. The jaws are covered in a non-slip PVC sleeves, which are fine for up to 80 degrees Celsius. They also include fiberglass sleeves for any experiment over 80 degrees Celsius. Additional materials that are needed are a support stand, a right angle clamp, and the specific object you wish to hold. The heavy-duty extension clamps come in 3 different sizes. Please note the jaw size opening that best fits your needs.